Healy, the wearable for your well-being, holistic health and fitness. In this video, we would like to show you what is included in your Healy package. In the package, you will find the quick start and instructions for use. Please read both before you start to use it. You will see how easy it is to use your Healy. Your new Healy comes with a clip on the back that lets you wear the Healy securely fastened to your clothing. All important accessories are packed in the space under the Healy. The ear electrodes for cranial stimulation are also under the Healy, along with 20 felt pads. Stick the felt pads onto the contact surfaces of the ear electrodes, moisten them with plenty of water, and clip them to the earlobes. You will find the wrist electrodes and connecting cables in the space under your Healy. These electrodes should be connected to your Healy using the cables and then attached to the wrists for the holistic systemic programs. In addition, you will find adhesive electrodes for local application. We wish you a lot of fun with Healy and always good health.